Hello, another day, another lesson. Actually, that term goes another day, another dollar. But that's besides the point. We are back in math today. I have behind me the three division chart. We're going to go over that. And then we're going to go over the 5 multiplication and division chart. Okay, so I'm going to go over this twice and over the 5 twice. Okay, so remember, you need to participate. I know you're home and I cannot see whether or not you're participating, but God can see. So, and since God matters to you more than me, I hope you are aware that God's watching you, even though I am not. All right, you guys ready? Division. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. Sorry, let me stand on this side. Okay, go. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. 33 divided by 3 equals 11. 36 divided by 3 equals 12. One more time. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. 33 divided by 3 equals 11. 36 divided by 3 equals 12. Good job. I'm going to go ahead and take that down and put up the 5 multiplication division chart. And this should just be review for you guys. Okay, make sure you guys can see that. No glare. Alright, you ready? Let's start with the multiplication. Okay, we'll say multiplication twice and we'll do the division twice. On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 0 times 5 equals 0. 1 times 5 equals 5. By the way, what number times 0 equals 0? Any number times 0 equals 0. Okay, I hope you guys remember that. Better stay in that head. Don't let it come out. Let's start over, sorry. 0 times 5 equals 0. 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 times 5 equals 30. 7 times 5 equals 35. 8 times 5 equals 40. 9 times 5 equals 45. 10 times 5 equals 50. 11 times 5 equals 55. 12 times 5 equals 60. One more time. 0 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 times 5 equals 30. 7 times 5 equals 35. 8 times 5 equals 40. 9 times 5 equals 45. 10 times 5 equals 50. 11 times 5 equals 55. 12 times 5 equals 60. Okay, division. You ready? 1, 2, 3. 0 divided by 5 equals 0. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. 55 divided by 5 equals 11. 60 divided by 5 equals 12. Okay. Oh, sorry, one more time. I said twice, didn't I? 1, 2, 3. 0 divided by 5 equals 0. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. 55 divided by 5 equals 11. 60 divided by 5 equals 12. Okay, so then, looking over here, we're going to do a little bit kind of review what we did yesterday. That was yesterday, right? When I was talking about chocolate chip cookies and my sisters and me. I don't know, I get my days all mixed up sometimes. But we're going to be doing 1/3 of 12. Now that means that when we're looking at the bottom number, that means we're talking about how many parts the whole was divided into, right? And then the top number tells us how many of those parts we're talking about. We're talking about 1. So to make it easier for you, if it does make it easier for you, you can draw sticks. So I need to find 1/3 of 12. So I'm going to draw 12 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to use my other marker because it kind of stands out for you guys to see better. I'm going to divide that into what? Well, let me look at the bottom number. Into 3. Into three equal parts. All right. And make sure it's fair for everyone. So I have 12. I need to divide it into 3 equal parts. Let's see. And make sure you count. Make sure you have equal parts. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. So that means since each of these is equally 4, and I only need 1. Remember, looking at the top number, I only need 1 of these, right? If I only need 1 of these parts, that means I only need 4 sticks. So my answer, 1/3 of 12, is 4. If that doesn't make sense or you need extra explanation, I want you to leave it in the comments below, and me or Mrs. Badano will answer your questions, okay? If you ever have any question, if it's phonics or if it's math, Bible, any question at all, you don't understand something, don't be too afraid. Don't be too afraid to ask us, okay? We're more than willing to help. So 1/3 of 15, let's do the same thing. I have more space up here, so I'm going to do it up here. I'm going to draw 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 sticks. Grab my other marker. I need to divide it into how many equal parts? The bottom number tells me 3. 3 equal parts. So let's see. I'm going to do this. Maybe right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I got 6 in this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 here, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Is that 3 equal parts? No. If I were to pull aside Brianna, Alicia, and Faith and say, okay, I divided the 15 pieces of candy among the 3 of you, and Alicia gets 6, Brianna gets 5, and Faith gets 4. Is that fair? No, it's not fair. I mean, Faith isn't really too much of a mean girl. I don't think she would really be like yelling, "That's not fair!" She'd probably just be like, "Let's go up." No, what she usually just like, yeah, that's what she would do. That's what Faith would do. Okay, so I need to redo this. I need to make sure that everyone is happy all the way around, and then we need to redo my sticks after this. Make sure I still have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so how about I try and see if I can fit 5 in each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 equal 5 and each of those 3 parts, so I have 3 equal parts, right? So I need 1, sorry, down here, right? 1/3 of 15, I need 1 of those 3 equal parts. And each of these parts, I have 5. That's what I divided them into. Each of these parts have 5. So my answer to 1/3 of 15 is 5. Okay? So then, looking at 1/3 of 18, we're going to do the same thing, and I'll just do it underneath it. Let me go ahead and draw 18 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay? So let's see. Let's try dividing it into, we're dividing it into what, how many parts? 3 parts, right? Let's try putting 6 in each part. Let's try putting 6 in each part and see if that works for us. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, look at that. It's 3 equal parts, 6 in each part. I have 6 sticks in each part. Okay? So that means my answer, 1/3 of 18, equals what? Equals 3? No, it doesn't equal 3. We divided it into 3 equal parts. But how many do we have in each part? 6. So it equals 6. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put some numbers on the board because we're going to do some rounding. I don't know about you, but I like rounding to the nearest 10. It's fun. I liked doing that in school, and I still like doing it. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and round these numbers to the board, and then we're going to go ahead and round off the round these off to the nearest 10, round these off to the nearest dollar. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and underline the place we're supposed to be looking at. When we're doing numbers, we're supposed to be looking at the what? The ones place, the tens place. Are you going to tell me? The ones place. When we're doing numbers, we're supposed to be looking at the ones place, and then when we're doing money, we're supposed to be looking at the dimes place to round it up to the nearest dollar, okay? So I went ahead and underlined those to make it easier for us. Now, when do we round up? We round up when we round up when the number in the ones place is either 5 or above. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If the number in the ones place is 4 down, as in 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, we're going to round down. So 5 and up, we round up, and then 4 down, we round down. So taking a look at the 3 is 4 down, right? 3 is under 4, so we're going to need to round this down to 70. 98. The 8 is one of those 5 and above, so we're going to round it up to 100. To 99. My bad. Rounding it up to 99. 11. Well, there's a 1 in the ones place, and that's under 4, so we're rounding it down to 10. Coming down to the money, I have $9.10. So looking at the 1, it is below the 5 mark that we were talking about. It's below the 4, so we're going to need to round down to $9. You still want your 2 zeros to hold those spots. Next is 1859. This is the number 5. Now we said 5 and up. We didn't say above 5, 5 and up. So since it's the number 5, we're rounding up to $19. Okay, make sure you have the 2 zeros to hold your spots. The next one, $113.41. Don't let this big number scare you. It always works the same. When we're just looking at the dimes, we're going to round it up to the nearest dollar if it's 5 or up, and round it down to the nearest dollar if it's 4 and down. So looking at the dimes place, it's number 4, so we're rounding down to $113. Get those zeros to hold our spots. Okay, and when Mrs. Daniel showed you how to round to the nearest 10, she had like a little triangle or tent, whatever you want to call it. See if I can draw it. I'm not a good artist. It looks something like that. And I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I think it's 5, right? 5 up here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Something like that to help you guys out when rounding to the nearest 10 and to the nearest dollar. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and take a break here for math. So come back to watch the video for today's worksheet page, okay? Enjoy your break.